If your Chrome browser is showing an update disabled error, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix pretty quickly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 2 simple methods to get Chrome updating again. We'll start with the most common fix using the Windows Registry, and if that doesn't work, I'll show you how to reinstall Chrome using the Standalone installer. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, we'll fix this through the Windows Registry, which is the most common reason Chrome updates get disabled on Windows. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type regedit and press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to open the Registry Editor. Once Registry Editor opens, you need to navigate to the correct path. You can do this by expanding the folders on the left side. Go to HKey_LOCALALACA, then Software, then Policies, then Google, and finally Update. If you see a DWRdo called UpdateDefault, that is likely what is blocking Chrome updates. Right-click on UpdateDefault and choose Modify. In the Value Data box, change the value to 1, then click OK. This setting tells Chrome that updates should be enabled again. After making the change, close the Registry Editor and restart Chrome. Once Chrome opens again, check whether the update issue has been fixed. In many cases, this alone is enough to restore normal update behavior. If you do not see that registry value, or if Chrome is still showing the same update disabled problem, then the next method is to perform a clean reinstall using the Standalone Chrome installer. This is especially useful if a system policy is heavily restricting the browser and the registry fix does not fully resolve it. To do that, start by uninstalling Chrome from your computer. Click the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then click Uninstall a program. In the list of installed programs, find Google Chrome. Click on Chrome, then click Uninstall at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to remove it from your PC. After Chrome has been uninstalled, open any other browser on your computer. This could be Microsoft Edge or any browser you still have access to. Then go to www.google.com/chrome/next-steps.html Standalone. This page provides the Standalone installer, which is useful when the normal update path is disabled or broken. Download Chrome from that page and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once Chrome is installed again, launch it and verify that updates are now working properly. This clean install often clears out the policy issue and restores full update support. So to recap, if Chrome says updates are disabled, first check the Windows Registry path and make sure Update Default is set to 1. If that does not solve it, uninstall Chrome and reinstall it using the Standalone installer from Google. One of these 2 methods should fix the issue in most cases. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.